I'm just going to show you how to assemble this solar light real quick. One thing I want you to know real quick is that at the bottom of the base you have this piece in here. So this is one of the first pieces you need. I actually thought I was missing it, but I found it under here. So that's where you'll find it. And what you do is you have this piece here, and if you can see down in the hole, it has little slots that these ears, or whatever you want to call them, lock into. So just take this piece, put it down in there, get it lined up, and once you get it seated, then you twist and rotate it as far as you can, and that locks this piece in. And just hang on to this set screw for a minute. So now that you have this one set, we go ahead and start putting the poles in. So it comes with 4 poles, but there's 3 different types. So the first bottom pole doesn't have any holes on the bottom sides. You see it has thread holes on the top, no holes on the bottom. So you take and set that in place, and then you have this set screw that holds it in place here. So tighten that to hold this pole in place. Next, you have 2 poles that go in the middle here. So these ones are the same. They each have 3 holes around them, and then also these threaded holes at the top. So you want to take and slide those over the flange and line up all of the holes that you can see inside there, because these have screws to bolt into them. I'm going to do that part at the end. So your third pole, seat that one on the flange and make sure it's aligned. And then you can tell that this is your top and 4th pole because it has this piece welded on top that's designed to hold up and support the light fixture. But it does still have the same 3 holes at the bottom designed to line up with the bolt holes. So just take that last one and slide it into place, lined up again with the screw holes. Now I'm going to use these bolts and tighten up all of the poles so they won't move when we set the light on it. These are all Phillips, so go through, and I'm going to hand start all of the bolts and then go through and tighten everything down with my drill. So 3 per pole. So I'm sure you see it wobbling as I'm tightening this up. That's simply because I don't have any water in the base here. So it has this plug here, so you can fill it up with water or sand, and that will keep it sturdy. I just don't have anything in it yet. And here's your plastic locking piece. So to get this attached to the light, you just look for the arrow here, and there's another arrow on the light fixture. Just line those up. So you take and get these lined up with all the notches, and you get it worked in place. It took a minute to get it, but when you get it, everything's flush and you'll be able to know that you got it. And you just twist it, and that locks it in place. So next step is to grab your hardware pack. You have some nuts and bolts. And what we have to do is there's like a little slit here that you get the nut in there, and then you have to line up the nut and the bolt through that slit and get those started. It's pretty simple. So just take the nut and drop it in there, and it lines up pretty easy. And then just hand turn it just enough to get it in there. Don't set it, or don't turn it so much that the bolts come through to the other side yet. But you have 3 of those to take care of. Okay, now that you have your 3 set screws or set bolts in here, pretty simple. You just take and lift it up, and you set it in place. And now you just tighten up your set screws. You don't want to over tighten it and damage the finish on here. So I'm just gonna hand tighten it, see if it works out. Yeah, so just hand tighten it, and it seems plenty strong enough to keep the light on. All right, so put the batteries in the remote. They do include them. Just gonna put the remote in my pocket for now and peel off all of the packaging stuff. And fill it up with water. So given that I just got this thing put together, the sun's pretty much down for the day, so hasn't had a chance to collect any energy from the solar panel. So I'm just gonna plug it in and see what the light is like. And so you know, this cord is pretty short, so if you plan on powering it with the cord, plan on having an extension cord. It's hard to tell actually how bright it is during the daytime, so I'll do another full review video after I get a chance to use it and show it at nighttime and everything, but just wanted to give you this quick rundown of how you install it and give you that first look at what it actually looks like.